We've just stumbled upon a playground for adults on dirt bikes. Looks like fun. I was hoping to ride my new 2021 300 TPI today, but I haven't got it ready yet. So probably the earliest ride will be next weekend. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm putting guards on it, etc. I'm not really making any performance rods to it because I want to ride it stock for probably a couple of rides before I do anything. After that, I'll probably put an RK TEK Head on it and a GET ECU as well. So that'll be interesting to see what difference it makes. In other news, I've entered a hard enduro race on November the 1st, Sunday, at Keihin in Keihin. Really looking forward to that. It's one of the stages of the GNET series. I've entered in the hard class. Yeah, depending on the conditions, if it's wet, it gets really challenging, muddy. The last time I raced there, it was wet and very challenging, so we'll have to see how that goes. I'm really looking forward to it anyway. My engine rebuild, I haven't actually gone any further, so the next step is to put the 300 top end on. So this is a new 300 kit I'll be putting on, and I hope to do that in the next couple of weeks. This is interesting. This is actually the first time we've been along this trail. It's proving to be quite interesting. So yesterday it was really heavy rain all day, so it's very slick in a lot of places. This area's traction's not too bad, but oh, nice! Oh, fucking hell! Unlucky. I lost my balance. Yeah, you did well though. It's quite tricky because it's off camber, yeah. Huh? It's tricky because it's off camber. Yeah. And a bit slippery. The weather is just perfect. I think today the high is about 18 degrees C, but we're a little bit higher, so it's definitely cooler up here. A little bit of a breeze. You see the leaves are just turning. A really nice time of the year to ride. Way too much throttle. Quite tricky today. Definitely doable when it's dry. Oh, looking good. Oh, nice. Yes. Nice one. So Marcos's bike was running really lean this morning, and wondered what the problem was. We maybe thought the one of the carburetor jets was blocked, but looking more carefully, he recently put a fuel filter, inline one, in the hose and discovered there was a kink in the hose, which was stopping the fuel getting it to the carburetor. So we've shortened it, and seems to be working okay now, but he's probably going to go back to not using a fuel filter after this issue. So definitely one thing to check: if your carb starts running lean, make sure the line's not too long and not kinked.
Almost impossible.
You did well, you kept it going nicely. This is a fun little area. Today it's not really possible to get up there, it's just too steep and slippery. It'll be challenging even when it's dry. Definitely want to come back here when it's dry and give it a go. So today we're just basically looking for an easy way up, and I think I found it here. It's a little bit of a trail here, so give this bit a go. See how it goes. This is a fun trail. Wow. I don't think anyone's been up here for a long time. Looks more like animal trails right now. And we saw a huge deer earlier, and they were just as surprised to see us. I'll have to have a scout around here, try and find which way. It's a little bit unclear. Let's have a look. So I just walked up and checked the trail out, and it's quite overgrown. It'd be pretty easy to tidy it up and get up, but after about 50 meters it starts getting pretty technical, and I don't think we're going to have enough time today, so, as we want to explore some other areas as well. So we'll definitely come back here, and hopefully it'll be dry, and we'll be able to get right to the top. Up. Sure, this is the way.